What's up, food lovers? Here we go. About to go pick me up some crawfish from my boy Claudio. Yes, it's that time of year again. Crawfish season, springtime, fun time. So let's go get some crawfish and I'll show you how I boil it. All right, let's go.
You see that? Look at that boy. I saved that one for you too. He's pretty.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
So here we go, guys. Everything is ready to go. Just got back from getting the crawfish. Got my table set up. Got all of my ingredients. Corn. Got my pot set up, ready to go. We're about to wash the crawfish and then put all the ingredients, boil it, and we are set. So the crawfish right here, they come in 30-pound sacks. I only got 15 pounds here. That's all we need from my family. If you're ever in Dallas, Fort Worth area and you're looking for crawfish, make sure you call my boy Claudio. I will have his name and phone number down in the description. Here we got sausage, potato, oranges. I put lemongrass in mine, garlic, corn, of course, Louisiana crab boil liquid, and Louisiana seasoning. Other people, they put in celery, mushrooms, whatever they feel like. This is what I have right now, and this is what I'm putting in. So let's get to washing the crawfish. Put the fire on the water on the fire, or vice versa. Just put let's boil the water, all right? Let's get to cooking. Let's get to cooking. This process here, you do not want to skip. We have to clean the crawfish. I usually clean it 3 waters. We have all the.
Oh, cool crawfishes.
Yeah, you like these crawfish?
Yeah.
We have to get the water clear. So we usually clean 3 waters. And pick out the dead ones. See, dead? Pick it out. These crawfish are huge. The best size they got this year. So make sure you hit up my boy Claudio. He has the best price and the best size in town. Put over here. Clean it really good. These are called either crawfish, crawdads, or mud bugs. Yes, some people call it mud bugs. They come from the swamps or the ponds or the canals in Louisiana. Ow! See how the water's getting nice and clear now? That means getting clean. This crawfish is on and it's ready to go. So here we go, guys. Got my water boiling. I put about 4 to 5 gallons of water in here, depending how much crawfish you have. And since we only have 15 pounds, that's all we need. So with this bag, it takes 45 pounds of crawfish. Since we only have 15 pounds, we're just gonna put, let's do quarter bag. Let's do that right now. Quarter bag in. Maybe half, depends how much seasoning we got. So that's a little bit more than a quarter, don't matter. This is spicy liquid sauce. Let me taste it. Woo. Yeah, that stuff is potent. Yeah, don't do that. But so you'll add in maybe quarter of this bottle, a little bit more. It adds a lot of flavor. I'm squeeze some oranges in there. Oranges gives it much flavor. That sweet, zest, tangy. I put about 6 oranges cut in half in here. Got these orange on sale the other day for cheap. I'm talking about cheap. So, all the oranges in. Put the garlics in there. Cut in half like that. Just throw the garlics in there. And then lemongrass. Put this lemongrass in there, just like that. And then, so since the potatoes and the garlic and stuff cooks a long time, you want to put it in first. Let all that cook down. And the sausage is cooked already, and the corn is cooked already. So you put that in last. Let's turn the fire on and let the water boil, and then we throw in the crawfish. All right. So, with all the ingredients in, we'll be right back. Smells delicious. So after 5 to 10 minutes of letting it boil, cook everything down, we want to put a bag of ice in it. With this bag of ice, it will stop the process of cooking. You don't want to overcook these crawfish. They'll get chewy and the shell will get tough to hard to peel it out. So after you pour it in, let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, depending how long you want to wait for all that juice and goodness to soak into the crawfish. That's why you suck the head and eat the tail. So let this sit down, let this sit, and then we'll be right back to demonstrate how to peel and eat a crawfish. All right, Yes! So here we go, guys. We are due for a taste test. It's been around 20 minutes. Been letting it soak. All that juicy goodness soaking into the crawfish. So we are ready. Pop this up. Let that drain out. Ooh, here's a big one. Let me demonstrate how you do this. You break the head. Suck the head like that. Take the tail. Break the first part of the tail off. You pinch the tail right here. Then pull the crawfish out. The top layer of the meat. Peel that out. Pop it in your mouth. Here's the guts. Throw that away. Here's the tail part. Mmm. Delicious. Delicious. So thank you guys. I am finished here. If you like my recipe, make sure you smash the like button. Consider subscribing. And this is how I boil my crawfish. Thank you and come again. Bye.